Apple is going to do this with iPhone SE 3. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing well. iPhone SE 3 is ready to launch and we are started getting leaks about it. iPhone SE 3 will be very competitive in budget series smartphone. Apple is not going to change this time with iPhone SE 3 2022. If you're looking for a new budget device, this can be your daily driver. Apple has a plan for their SE series where this time we are not going to see any design change. The last time with SE2, we see the iPhone 8 design and this time no change. Touch ID on the front and single lens on the back. But the price is very competitive and that's why Apple justify why they didn't change the design. Moreover, some people are talking about the iPhone 11 design on SE3, but that could happen next year, not going to happen this year. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you going to change your older iPhone to this? iPhone SE 3 will come with a 15 bionic chip just like the iPhone 13. According to Loop Capital market analyst John, heard rumor about new 5G SE 3 where he says it could start at $300, which is less than its predecessor, iPhone SE 2, where iPhone SE 2 was started at $399. A previous rumor suggested that it could start at $399, but Apple is decreasing the price this time. A downside for this device that it is really small, standing at 4.7 inches display. iPhone SE 3 will have one lens 12 megapixel on the back and 7 megapixel selfie camera. It could be the cheapest 5G we could see in the market. Some rumor says that the iPhone SE 3 could have a Plus model where we see 5.7 or 6.1 inches display, but those rumors are not confirmed and no price leak of this model. Apple is going to launch iPhone SE 3 in March in its spring event along with the iPad Air A15 bionic chip and 13 inches MacBook Pro M2. The event is expected to have on 8th of March 2022. According to the leaks, Apple may jump up the RAM in the iPhone SE 3 like 4 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, having a 1821 mAh battery, which is kinda okay with the 4.7 inches display. If you are an owner of the SE or SE2, then this could be a worth of an update. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you going to change your older iPhone to this? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out!